Do you want to make your 3D designs come to life with stunning realism? In this Lumion render tutorial for beginners, I'll walk you step by step through creating a jaw-dropping exterior render, even if you've never used Lumion before. From setting the scene to adding final touches, this is your shortcut to professional quality results. Let's dive in and transform your project into a masterpiece. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Select the view you want to render. Open it. We have the custom styles for realistic, interior, daytime, night. Let's go ahead with the settings. The first effect is the 2-point perspective. Click on it. The second effect I'm going to add is the real sky. Click here to modify the sky. You can choose from these categories. I'll use the overcast. Then the brightness, I'll adjust it to the maximum. The next effect is the sun. I will leave this at the default. Add the next effect, the shadow. Turn on the soft shadows and fine detail shadows. Then adjust the coloring to 0.0. The next effect is the reflection. Open the reflection, enable. Click on this pen icon. Then click here to add plane. Pick the glass plane. Select all the reflective plane. When you are done, click OK. The next effect is the hyperlight. Open it. This enhances the artificial light, but I will need to reduce it a bit because I don't want the artificial light to be so pronounced. Add the next effect, skylight. I will adjust the saturation a little bit, 0.7. The render quality, I'll leave it at normal. The next effect is the color correction. You start with the temperature. I'll leave it at 0.1. Then the tint will be at the default. The vibrance, increase it to 0.6. Now the brightness, you need to adjust it. Increase it to 0.9. Same with the contrast. Please, just a quick one, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go now and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Then the next effect is the exposure. Click add effect. Head over to camera. Click on exposure. I'll increase it to 0.6. Then the last one is the sharpen. Click on enhancements, sharpen. I'll leave it at 1.0. Let's go ahead and render it. Click on render photos. Then note, the higher the render output, the better the quality. So I'll use print to render it. Select it. Type in the name. Select the folder you want to save it and click save. The rendering has begun. The rendering time depends on the specification of your computer. Wow, this looks great. Let's open it. It's beautiful. You can copy this same preset to the other view. Click on these three dots. Click copy effects list. Open the other view you want to render. Click on the three dots and paste effects list. So here we have the exact effect we used for the other view. I will leave a link for you to download this preset if you need it in the description. If you are using a custom preset, for you to apply it to your model, click here. Click load effects list. This is where you open the preset you downloaded. Open it and apply. You have this exact thing here. So that's how to make a realistic exterior rendering in Lumion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, go now and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or any contribution, please kindly leave it in the comment section. Tell us the challenges you face when rendering a project in Lumion. Please do well to give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much.